Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's so great to have you again. So today's video is all about unboxing of the Flinto box. And if you don't know what a Flinto box is, it's an activity-based learning for kids. It has 3 activities inside it and each activity develops a certain skill inside you. And just for a kind reference, it's not a sponsored video. So this is what it looks like from the outside. It has a big label named as Flinto box, if you can see it. But now let me show you what's inside it. So this box contains activity related to magnets and the name is magical magnets, as you can see. So you would get an activity book like this with every Flinto box, which would be related to the activities given inside it. As I said, this box is all about magnets. So I've got a magical magnet activity book. Then this is a flyer card you would get, which would tell you what all the activities would teach you. You know, if you see, this says this theme will familiarize you with the following concepts and components. So this will tell you what all the activities will teach you, what are you going to go through when you are going to do those activities. Then comes the activity part, and the activity I have chosen to do is this one. It is named as magnetic shooter. So I will be doing this, and this is an instruction manual, what all you have to do. So as you can see, the first page is like the materials which are given to you. I'll show you the materials also, and this is the steps you have to follow to make the magnetic shooter, and I can't wait to make it and to show you guys also. So let's get started. So let's first cross-check the materials which we need. So it says you need a top panel, you need a base panel, you need a panel board, you need foam pieces, you need a shooting aid, you need a shooter, you need magnets, and you need metal balls. So let's see if we have all of them or not. So the first is the top panel, which is this one. The second is the base panel, which is this one. Third are the panel board, which is this. Let's keep it here. Then we have the foam pieces, which are also given to us. And then we have the shooting aid and the shooter. Then we have the magnets. There are 2 magnets. And then we have metal balls. So the first step is to match the foam pieces to the shapes on the base panel and stick them with the adhesive. We have to stick the foam pieces like this. The adhesive is there at the back of the foam pieces, like this. You just have to peel this off and paste it on the required steps. So the base panel is ready, and now we have to put the top panel to it with inserting the hooks inside these sockets. Now I have fixed the bottom panel with the top panel, and now I have to paste the rest foam pieces to it. It's ready. Now I just have to assemble the shooter and the shooter aid. So now we have to take the shooter and the shooter aid out. And then we have to put the two magnets inside these sockets. If you can see, there are these places like this one and this one. I have to put the magnets inside these. I have to put it like this. Like this. Then I have to put this thing inside the hole. Like this. And then it says place 4 metal balls in front of the shooter, each magnet. Sorry, in front of each magnet. Now I have to put 4 metal balls in front of each magnet. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Yes, so I've placed 4 metal balls in front of each magnet. So let's see what's the next. Then it says release 1 metal ball behind the magnet and see what happens. So let me do it. Oh, this was amazing. I'll show you guys. Now I have to release 1 metal ball behind the magnet and let's see what happens. Wow. Let's do it one more time. Wow, this is amazing.